Tonight, members of the Bailey Cove community are protesting a possible supported living center being built near their homes. Tonight, they came to a zoning meeting to share their concerns and push back on the proposal, which essentially would be a methadone clinic. And Wave 31's Georgia Clark joins us live now. And Georgia, it seems like this ended in favor of the people who didn't want this type of facility in their community.
Yes, Nikela, it did. Now, this variance motion was denied because no one actually made a motion to approve a vote for the variance, which would have allowed this existing building on Bailey Cove Road to be turned into a supported living center. Now, that variance request would have allowed Bradford Health Services to open up this supported living center, which is a stepping stone for some people in recovery from addiction. Now, that building had been a nursing home and a similar facility in years past, but representatives from Bradford made it clear that this would not have been a halfway house or methadone clinic, rather a facility with very strict rules based in sobriety. Residents would have been required to have a job, a curfew, and regular drug and alcohol screenings, but those rules did not sway the community. I spoke with both the owner of the property and a community member, and here's what they had to say.
If you went to any of the homes in this area of Huntsville and asked them why they live there, it's because of the safety and security of the neighborhoods. So you're changing that dynamic.
The variance board had decided to give us the variance at the disappointment of all these people. I just don't know how I'd have felt about it. So it's time for us to go back and research and figure out what's next for this building in South Huntsville.
An actual sigh of relief came from the large number of neighbors when the board denied that variance. And with their biggest concerns being the safety of the neighborhood, children at the park across the street and on the Greenway, and the overall policies of this facilities. But many of the neighbors supported their overall mission, but asked that Bradford find a different building in a different location that was not in a residential area. Reporting live in Huntsville with coverage you can count on, Georgia Clark, Wave 31 News.